Hey everyone, it's Jack with REIMastermind.net, and this week I'm going to share with you my super secret, targeted, and cheap mailing list. And for that matter, you could use it for direct calling as well if you wanted to try to do some cold calling. This resource is free to you, typically available in any market, and it has the person's name, phone number, and address. And what is that resource? If you haven't guessed it already, it's your local phone book. And I know the phone book is probably a lot thinner than it was when I was younger, but there's still a lot of information and a lot of, frankly, gold in those pages. Because when you think about it, who still has a landline phone? It's usually an older population, and hopefully they have some equity in their home. And you're probably wondering yourself, well, okay, like if I call them or if I write to them, what would I say? And I simply would say something as simple and easy as, I know this is out of the blue, but by any chance, would you be thinking about selling your home? And then see what type of response you receive. So here's the deal. I'm going to push you a little bit and ask you for a commitment. I want you to do this. Go find a phone book, and then I want you to do 5 contacts per day for 30 days. Whether that's a phone call, whether that is a mailing. I want you to do it 5 times 30 days. That'll give you 150 contacts that you've done in a month. And I guarantee, I shouldn't say guarantee. It's never a guarantee, right? But there is a strong chance that you will find an opportunity by the end of that 30 days, if not sooner. So go get a phone book and start the process. I think you'll be surprised that consistent, persistent behavior will pay off. Could you do me a favor? If you found any value in what I just told you, could you share it with another individual? Somebody that you know that might be getting into real estate investing that needs this little jump start? That would mean the world to me. I appreciate it. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.